Welcome back to Journey to Novelist. This is our sprints for day 2 of Camp NaNoWriMo, April 2022. So we're just going to move right on into our sprints. We are working on the normal everyday world. These are part of the opening section of your story, that first 20-25%. If you haven't done the exercises, you might want to check out that video first before getting into the sprints. If you're ready, let's go ahead and move into the sprints. We're first going to start with a 3-minute sprint that we want to describe the action and settings of an everyday occurrence for your protagonist. This is going to move you in to your first scene. So if you're ready, let's get our clock ready for the first 3-minute sprint. Ready, set, and go. We are at the halfway point. One minute left. And that is time. Hopefully you have a good start on your scene for today. Our next part of our sprint, we're going to be working again on the same scene. We want to expand it. The scene again is a baseline for what your characters consider to be normal. So you wanted to develop it to get your readers a grounding in your world and get them to know your characters. So we're going to do 4 minutes on this next sprint, just expanding that scene further. If you are doing an action scene, then remember to add in your senses for the different parts of your story. Make sure that it is real to your readers. And if you're ready, let's go. 2 minutes remaining. One minute. And that's time. Hopefully you got some good words down and are ready to continue with this scene. If you are doing an action scene, you can move into a reaction scene or vice versa. If you still have quite a bit to do on this scene, then we'll just continue on. Go ahead and stretch your fingers and get ready to get back to your writing here. We're going to do another 4 minutes. Remember, the scene needs to have a purpose. Figure out what you're trying to show your readers. And we're going to reset our timer. And if you're ready, let's go. We are at the halfway point, 2 minutes remaining. 1 minute. And that's time. You should have a pretty good start on a scene, if not having finished one. The writing day has just started though. If you are trying for that 50,000 words that is required to win the November event, if you're keeping that goal for the April camp event, then you're going to want to try to hit 3,334 words today. If you're not there yet, then just keep writing. Take a minute to stand up, stretch, move around a bit, get your blood moving, and then sit right back down and keep working on scenes about the normal everyday world for your character and what you need to tell your readers about that world in order to ground them and to get them to know your characters, because everything builds off this. This is your baseline. This is what roots your reader into your world. Things might change as soon as you hit that doorway into that next world, but we have to know what was before we can tell what's different. Thanks for viewing, and come back for day 3 if these are helping you.